Today we will be doing this Desi makeup look, a very highly asked for tutorial, so you better watch the whole damn video. Okay, thanks, enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with the e.l.f. Pore Primer. I tried the illuminating one. That one was ass. Don't get it. Don't try it. It was horrible. But this one that I'm using is really good. It's kind of like the Tarte primer, the Poreless Hourglass primer. I think that's what it's called. But that one was really good too, and I used to use that a lot. But when I found out this one came out, I got this one. It's literally the same thing. Now using my ABH Soft Glam palette, I'm using these shades that I marked, and I'm just applying the Sienna shade into my crease. Now from the palette, I'm using the burnt orange shade. I'm just applying that on my outer V. Now taking the shade Glistening from the palette, I'm just applying that on my eyelid. Now taking my MAC pencil liner in the shade Feline, I'm just tightlining the top of my waterline. After I'm done tightlining, I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeliner on the top of my eyelid. Just a thin line, I don't want anything too big or too dramatic. And then I also drag it down just a little bit, just to get a little bit of dimension there. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the matte and poreless, and I'm just applying that with a damp sponge. Now taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Vanilla, I'm just highlighting my under eyes, my bridge of my nose, and my forehead and my chin. And then afterwards, just to darken it up a little bit, I'm using my Covergirl True Blend Cover Concealer in the shade M400. Okay, so don't be quick to judge. I know I look kind of crazy right now, a little bit too, pale, but watch when I apply the powder. You guys will see how it just matches so beautifully. Now using my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder, I'm applying that all over my face, and you guys can see that how much it makes me look so flawless in airbrush. This powder, you guys have to buy it. I swear by it. If you guys are looking for a new powder, this one is it. Okay, so now I'm contouring my nose with the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And if you guys want like an in-depth tutorial on how I contour my nose, I can make a total separate video from that. And as you guys know, I had gotten nose surgery and my nose is super swollen from it, and it's still really bad, my nose. I actually got it for breathing problems. I know a lot of people say like, oh, I got my nose done because of breathing problems, but reality, I really did. because if you guys can see, my nose looks exactly the same from all my other videos and nothing different. So now I'm applying some highlighter on my inner corner and on my brow bone. You can use any highlighter. I like the ABH Glow Kit highlighters. They really pop, especially when you wet your brush. They look so good. Now I'm reverse contouring my nose, so I'm adding some setting powder on the sides of my nose where I put my lines for my contour. I don't go over my contour that much, just enough to where it leaves that shadow so it looks like my nose is slimmer. So I already contoured my face using the ABH contour kit, but now I'm applying some blush. I'm applying the Nars Super Orgasm blush, and I'm just applying that on the apples of my cheeks. I never used to like applying blush on the apples of my cheeks, but now I'm like so into it. I love it. I can't like do my makeup without doing that. So I'm taking the same brush that I applied powder with. I'm just cleaning up under where I did my blush so it looks more clean. Now applying mascara, I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. Now I'm applying the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm just making my eyes look a little bit bigger. And this is the best way to make your eyes look bigger. And now I'm taking this burnt orange shade from the palette, and I'm just applying it on my lower lash line. Now applying on my lower lash line the MAC Feline eyeliner. And I'm just lightly adding a little bit, and then afterwards I'm going to go in with a brush and smudge it out. Now applying some shamiaazmin eyelashes and Azmin, and after I apply it, I'm just going to go over my eyelash band with my Trendsetter eyeliner from Morphe. Now applying that Benefit Roller Lash mascara on my lower lashes. Now applying Maybelline Mauve for Me lipstick. This is not a matte lipstick, it's like a semi-matte, and it's so beautiful. I feel like this lipstick complements every single skin tone. So I'm applying a more pinkier tone because in the video that you guys wanted me to make this tutorial in, I applied this lip combo, and I'm using the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Audition. Now for highlighter, I'm applying the Sugar Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just adding the shade Marshmallow and the gold shade underneath it. I'm just applying that, and this is so beautiful. I used to not like using this highlighter on my cheekbones, but now I'm absolutely loving it and I'm obsessed. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys!